Atheism is a choice. In this video, we establish the thesis mentioned above. An atheist said to me, "Atheism is not a choice. You cannot choose to be convinced by something. You are either convinced or you remain unconvinced. It's a brain state." My response is below.
Thesis: Atheism is a choice.
Details. Many, and possibly most, atheists demonstrate that their atheism is a choice, by the following behavior. 1. Refusing to authentically engage with the logic, science, math, and reasoning we have provided, that falsify the atheist creation myths, naturalistic mega-evolution, and abiogenesis. 2. Using trite rhetorical tactics to avoid, rather than authentically engage with, the logic, science, math and reasoning that we provide for God, and against naturalistic mega-evolution and abiogenesis. 3. Being willing to accept millions of atheist miracles, extremely low probability events, in order to preserve their faith in atheism. 4. Appealing to invisible atheist sky daddies, infinite universe, infinite multiverse, to save them from the evidence that points to God.
5. Claiming that atheism is mere absence of belief, in order to avoid the burden of proof.
6.
Claiming that atheism has no truth claims at all, in order to avoid the burden of proof.
7. Claiming that atheism does not require, or entail, any other beliefs, e.g., metaphysical materialism, abiogenesis, naturalistic mega-evolution, eternal universe, eternal multiverse, no-cause universe etc., in order to avoid the burden of proof.
8. Claiming the above in order to avoid the responsibility of rationality.
9. Believing in a variety of things, that go with atheism, that they cannot prove to be true, e.g., metaphysical materialism, abiogenesis, naturalistic mega-evolution, eternal universe, eternal multiverse, no-cause universe etc., while insisting that Christians should prove to them that God exists, or else, they will not believe.
10.
Believing in science and scientism as a religion. 11. Believing in naturalistic mega-evolution as a religion. 12. Raising the standard of reasonable evidence to one of impossible proof when it comes to God.
13.
Lowering the standard of reasonable evidence to one of personal credulity, or personal gullibility, for any and all atheist myths, speculations and conjectures, e.g., metaphysical materialism, abiogenesis, naturalistic mega-evolution, eternal universe, eternal multiverse, no-cause universe etc., even though none of them have proof, let alone reasonable evidence. 14. Claiming that theism is irrational, when no atheist has been able to demonstrate that theism is indeed irrational. 15. Claiming that theism is belief in magic, while not being able to actually demonstrate that that is the case. 16. Claiming that theism is belief in magic, while believing in atheist magic, i.e., extremely low probability events, needed to avoid the inference to God. 17. Claiming that it is irrational for Christians to believe in miracles, while believing in atheist miracles, i.e., extremely low probability events, needed to avoid the inference to God. 18. Claiming that theism is belief in an invisible sky daddy, while believing in invisible atheist sky daddies, e.g., infinite universe, infinite multiverse, past eternal universe, past eternal multiverse. 19. Claiming that it is irrational for Christians to believe in miracles, while preferring atheist miracles, i.e., extremely low probability events, needed to avoid the inference to God. 20. Claiming that theism is belief in an invisible sky daddy, while preferring invisible atheist sky daddies, e.g., infinite universe, infinite multiverse, past eternal universe, past eternal multiverse. These behaviors above are clear indication that many, and possibly most, atheists have an emotional preference for atheism, no matter how irrational its views. So, atheism is a choice, and in fact, a daily choice on the part of many, possibly most, atheists. Conclusion. Atheism is a choice, for many, and possibly most, atheists. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.